Hello everyone, welcome back to our sprint video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix your payment method was declined error in your app store on your iPhone and iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, tap here on cancel and go back to your home screen. So guys, actually I have three methods to solve this problem, so hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. For first method, simply what you have to do is just open up your settings app on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID and now scroll it down, and here is the sign out. So sign out your Apple ID from here and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn back on and then sign in your Apple ID here and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second and very important one. For that, what you have to do is just again open up your settings app on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID and now tap here on media and purchases and now tap on view account and scroll it down here and tap on purchase history. And from here you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them and then go back and now tap here on manage payments and tap here on add payment method. And here what you have to do is just update your payment method and make sure that you have entered the correct information about your payment method, especially CVV number and expiry dates, and then tap here on your billing address. And here you have to also make sure that you have entered the correct information about your billing information, especially your zip code, and then go back and tap here on country or region and now tap on change country or region. And from here be careful and select the country from your credit card is made. So I'm selecting here United States, and then here are some terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them and tap on agree. Again tap on agree to confirm the process. And now from here you have to select your payment method. For example, I'm selecting here at none, and then here you have to give your billing address. You can put the fake information as well, and here you have to give the state. For example, I'm selecting here my state as California, and here you have to give the zip code for your state. If you don't know about the zip code for your state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. But in my case, the zip code for the California is 9021. And here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one as well. And then tap here on next. And now tap on done. So that's it. Hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the third and final one. For that, what you have to do is just contact with the Apple support and tell them about your problem, and they will solve your problem. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.